Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Education Academy. In this video lecture, we will discuss the most IMP MCQ of boiler, which is generally asked in all types of mechanical competitive exams. Let's start with question number 1. Fire tube boilers are. It is a internally fire boiler. So here you can see that in a fire tube boilers, okay, the combustion will be take place inside the tubes. So it is called internally fire boilers. So fire tube boilers are internally fire boilers, while as water tube boilers are externally fire boilers. So here you can see that the example of water tube boiler is Babcock and Wilcox boiler. So in water tube boilers, okay, the combustion will be take place outside the tubes and it will supply the heat energy to the tubes, and inside the tubes there is a water. Okay, it is heated by some external source and water is converted into steam, and this steam is collected in the top side of the drum. So Babcock and Wilcox boiler, it is a water tube boiler. It is an externally fire boiler, while as Lancashire boiler and Cochrane boiler, it is a internally fire boilers. Question number 2. Water tube boilers are externally fire boiler. Okay, we have already discussed. Question number 3. Cornice boilers are multi-tubular boilers. The right answer is no. It's a single tubular boiler. So here you can see that, okay, this is the front view of Cornice boiler. Here there is only one fire tube. So it's a single tubular boiler. Question number 4. In forced circulation steam boiler, the force is applied. We have already discussed in a boiler there are two types of circulation, forced circulation and natural circulation. So in natural circulation, the circulation of water it is due to density difference, while as in case of a forced circulation, here you can see that. So here you can see that here we are using pump to circulate the water. So in forced circulation steam boiler, the force is applied to circulate the water. And Lamount boiler, Benson boiler, these are the example of the forced circulation boiler, or we can say high pressure boiler. Question number 5. In a Lamount boiler, there is a circulation dash of water and steam. So we have already discussed in Lamount boiler there is a forced circulation of water. Question number 6. Lancashire boiler is a stationary fire tube boiler. Okay, so in Lancashire boiler, okay, the combustion will be take place inside the tubes and it is a stationary, while as portable boiler, or we can say movable boiler, okay, so it will move. We can shift easily from one place to another place. And the example of the portable or movable boiler is locomotive boiler and marine boiler. Question number 7. Water tube boilers produce steam at a dash pressure than that of fire tube boiler. So in a water tube boiler, the steam pressure is higher as compared to the fire tube boilers. Question number 8. The rate of flow of steam is dash in case of fire tube boilers is less. So the rate of flow of steam is less in case of a fire tube boiler. Question number 9. A simple vertical boiler has dash fire tubes. So here you can see that this is the schematic diagram of the simple vertical boiler, and here you can see that only one fire tube is there. Okay, and these are the water tubes. Okay, and it is a fire tubes. So only one fire tube in a simple vertical boiler. So the right answer is a simple vertical boiler has one fire tube. Question number 10. The water tube in a simple vertical boiler are dash. So here you can see that in a simple vertical boiler, the position of the tubes are inclined. Okay, so the right answer is inclined.